Trauma in its basic form is an experience of overwhelm. There may have been times in your life, whether you remember them or not, they may have even happened pre-cognitively. They could have happened when you were in the womb or being birthed or in your childhood. You've been through experiences that you didn't have the resources to handle. Now, those experiences that are incomprehensible, that are often overwhelming, can get stuck in the body, then can keep our nervous system in a continual state of fight, flight, and freeze and overwhelm. It's sort of like we keep reliving the fear of the experience because we don't feel safe within ourselves. We don't feel safe within our bodies. And so this is often how the trauma gets stuck. And when this happens, we often experience it like we're being fragmented, like parts of us are disconnected and they're battling each other within the body. And this causes a lot of turmoil, inner conflict and tension.